In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Wix. In order to do that, we have in here our Squarespace domain. So your domain will be this one. So this the ellipsoid plum d6tl.squarespace.com. So it's actually quite long because it's a subdomain. Just head over and copy that and then go right here to your Wix. Now from in there, just scroll down and click onto the settings option. Now scroll down and click on domains. Now after that, you should be able to see in here the domain names you want. So just head over and then put right here that and click on let's go. Now once it's done, you can see this. So you can click on this I own this primary domain. Just click on this contest right here. And you need to remove it first to the other account. You can click on this icon right here in order to see an answering instruction on how to actually do that. They also have some video tutorial. Just follow this right here and you should be good to go.